Is your fridge full to bursting? Need extra space to keep your food chilled? Are small items getting squashed or even lost at the back? Introducing shelf sliders from JML, the space-saving drawers for your fridge. They're the quick and easy way to organize and declutter, optimize your space, and protect delicate items. Just slip onto your existing shelf for immediate extra storage, allowing you to access food quickly and easily. Fruit and vegetables, leftover cheeses, or hard-boiled eggs. The possibilities are endless. With built-in ventilation holes, shelf sliders allow air to circulate, preventing condensation and keeping your food fresher for longer. And they're dishwasher safe for an easy clean. With shelf sliders, you can separate food for allergy sufferers or use as color-coded snack boxes for the kids. Shelf sliders can be used all around the home for office stationery, hobby crafts, or keeping the kids' room neat and tidy. No mess, no stress. Optimize your space and organize your life with shelf sliders from JML.